Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making cookies so rich they are called Millionaire Bars. Layers of cookie, cream, and chocolate make this easy, no-bake dessert recipe a new favorite. Let's get started. First, we need to start with melting chocolate in a double boiler or a microwave and set aside. Go ahead and warm up a little bit of butter and some marshmallows. The measurements will be linked in the description box below. And then you add a little bit of peanut butter, get that to be silky and creamy. And then start off on a baking sheet, layering the graham crackers and then the peanut butter mixture, and finally the smooth chocolate. Go ahead and smooth it over to all the edges. You could use an offset spatula. And then top off with a little bit of sprinkles. I've used rainbow sprinkles, 2 different types here, but you could use whatever you like. And then definitely set it in the refrigerator for about an hour to set before you cut your squares into it. And then there you have it. You're all done. Simple, easy treats, a new family favorite. Hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye.